Uber is pushing ahead with its testing of autonomous cars despite strong opposition from the state of California. On Wednesday, Uber announced that San Francisco residents could now hail a handful of autonomous vehicles within city limits, expanding on its tests in Pittsburgh. Later in the day, California's Department of Motor Vehicles told Uber in a strongly worded letter that, quote, "It is illegal for the company to operate its self-driving vehicles on public roads until it receives an autonomous vehicle testing permit. And if Uber does not confirm immediately that it will stop its launch and seek a testing permit, DMV will initiate legal action." An Uber spokesman didn't have immediate comment on the DMV letter. However, on Tuesday during a presentation with journalists, an Uber director said, quote, "Based on how the car is operating and used, we feel strongly the car is not an autonomous vehicle." The fight was further magnified when this footage was uploaded to the internet by a San Francisco taxi driver. It appears to show one of the self-driving Uber cars running a red light. Other people also reported online seeing the Uber vehicles lurching through intersections. In response, Uber said, quote, "These vehicles were not part of the pilot and were not carrying customers. The drivers involved have been suspended while we continue to investigate." The rollout in San Francisco will start with about 5 vehicles, but Uber said they will add more in the coming weeks. Passengers will be asked in the app to agree to ride in the cars before they hail one. The San Francisco Bay Area is set to become the focal point for autonomous vehicles, where other companies including Google, Lyft and Tesla are also working on autonomous vehicle projects. Wednesday's letter from DMV to Uber also said that 20 companies are approved to run tests and are, quote, "obeying the law and are responsibly testing and advancing their technology."